to see about how to create resources, the ways to create resources in Azure. So in my previous video you would have saw how to create a virtual machine or a storage account using an Azure portal. So first of all we will go with Azure portal. We can create resources easily using Azure portal. So actually this is a menu driven process, so comparatively no, it will be very easy to create resources through Azure portal. Like it will be a step by step process, or like enter the subscription in which this resource need to be created and enter the resource group where it need to be created, and you can enter the username, password, everything will be mentioned like an option. Just you can just give those values, some difficult values, like some difficult criteria and all things. You need to know the meaning, like why we are giving this particular option, what will it reflect. That's what the simple thing is about. So actually portal is so easy. Next we have Cloud Shell. Actually this is a special feature in Azure, and so you can create both, like if you are well versed in command prompt. See, now maybe you are well versed in command prompts, maybe Linux or Windows PowerShell. Okay, in that case you can use this Cloud Shell. It supports both CLI and PowerShell. So here you can just give some commands, and in commands and command prompt, and just get the resource created, get the resource done. So same way, CLI, if someone is working on Linux machines and they are very familiar with Linux, in that case they can use this command line or CLI thing. So in some case, like people would have been familiar in Windows PowerShell, so that case they can just use this and create many resources. Okay, now you can get a question like, you told that it's very easy to create resources in portal, and why should we go to create resources through this Cloud Shell? Yes, it's a valid question. But why? Because if I'm going to create some one virtual machine or 5 or 10, that's okay. I can create it separately using the portal, like manually going, entering the values and creating the resources and all thing. But what if I am in an organization and I wanted to be like I wanted to create hundreds and thousands of resources in similar patterns, or need to create these many resources? Is there any possibilities, or is that a better way to go and create one by one through portal? No, it's not a better idea. So that case what we can do, like we want to automate things, or we want the things to be done so fast, quickly. In that case we can go to Cloud Shell or CLI or PowerShell. So there you can just keep the command and create the resources. So same way, like even like you have another terminology in Azure called templates. So what is mean by templates? Means actually it's nothing but a simple concept, like it's a format, it's like a thing which has a, maybe let me give an example. If in case I have created a particular virtual machine and I wanted it to be created in so and so location, in so and so subscription, and so things, like it need to be in a particular format, like this memory should be this much, CPU should be this much, and I have raised a particular machine. Okay, what if I want 100 more machines to be created in the same way? So can I go and see this format and just give apply and do the same? No, that's not a good way. So what I do is, it's like a skeleton. I have this template handy, and first of all I create a resource, then I just download the template. What is meant by template? Means like if you have different formats like PDF, Excel, Words, okay, different formats. So what if, like for what is for Azure, so if you are downloading the template, it will be in an JSON format. So I'll just download that. Okay, I have created a particular machine with so and so like criteria, whatever I need, and then I just download the template and I apply it to create for 100 more machines in same way. So the work becomes very easy here. This is what template means. So that's it. Now we have saw like portal, Cloud Shell, CLI, PowerShell and template. Thank you and happy learning.